It's not enough to introduce new digital tools or technologies into the system to get digital transformation. I mean, if you think about replacing a typewriter with a word processor, that could speed you up, but it doesn't actually change anything about the organization, the way it runs. Typically, you don't have to, if it's a straight substitution, you don't have to change the business models, anything like that. So it's a very surgical change to the organization and the workflows, and it has very local effects, very incremental impact on the bottom line. So a more substantial digital transformation is naturally going to be disruptive, right? So we introduce new tools, we change the workflows. I mean, what if you speed up a workflow by 100 times, suddenly, 90% of the people are not needed anymore. You have to change your business model to accommodate that. And it's creative disruption, basically, as you've made such a dramatic change in something about the system that you have to reorganize the system around it in order to make the most use of that. And so digital skills are very important because people have to think differently and they have to operate differently. And it's not just about operating the tools, they also have to be more flexible in their thinking, and they have to think more broadly about what's possible. So that's digital skills.